Hello, my name is Mark Haynes. I produce bakestones and griddles. These are some of my products. This is our recipe leaflet which comes with the products when you buy them. Now today I'm going to make Welsh cakes, vegan Welsh cakes. And to show you how I do it, what I've done first is sieve all the dry ingredients into this bowl, which is the self-raising flour, the sugar, the icing sugar, salt and bicarbonate of soda. We put that into the bowl and we give it a good mix. Then into this we add our nut butter. This is cashew nut butter, which we make ourselves. Then we add the chickpea puree, which is just a tin of chickpeas puree in a NutriBullet. Then we add a small drop of rapeseed oil. Then we mix it all together. First with the spatula, then we get our hands in there and mix it up tidy. Until we've got it to the consistency of breadcrumbs. If you have a mixer, it's much quicker, but we'll do it the old-fashioned way. There we have consistency of breadcrumbs. We now add the currants. We add them last, otherwise they break up a little bit. Mix that in well. Now we need to bring it to a nice stiff dough for cutting. We add a small drop of oat milk, mix it, add a little bit at a time, otherwise you can get it wrong and it gets a bit too liquid. Hands in again, bring it all together. A little bit wet, so we put a small amount of flour just across the top of it just to get it to right. And as I say, sometimes it gets a little wet, but now it's a nice dough. This is the dough we're looking for, a nice stiff dough. There we have. Currants and everything mixed in, all beautiful. Just ready to go on the board now for cutting. What we do then, we flour the board, nicely floured, on goes the dough, nice clean bowl, right, a little bit of flour on top so that it doesn't stick, and here's my little secret, 2 6mm pieces of plastic. This gives you consistency of thickness and it helps you in the speed of rolling. We put a little bit of flour on the roller and we start rolling. There's the first roll. Now we take our 3-inch 75mm cutter and we cut out the Welsh cakes. A little bit of flour on the cutter. Then we put them into our tray. Then we re-roll the dough, time and again until we finished. Flour in. See the speed that it helps you with these 2 pieces of plastic. Consistency every time. And we re-roll and recut until we've used up all the dough. Right, we start now. We've cleaned up a bit. We now start to cook. Here's our bakestone. It's one I've kept for many years. It's what I use on all the shows and demonstrations. As you can see, it's well seasoned. What we do first is on a medium to low heat. What we do first, spray a bit of oil on there. Beautifully non-stick. Then we put the Welsh cakes on. Standing in the middle. There we are. Griddle full of Welsh cakes. Looking beautiful. Now the centre ones will cook quicker than the outside because basically the burner's in the middle. Start by turning the middle first. As you can see, they start to turn a golden brown. As you can see, they're now rising. Good way of checking them is just make sure they become firm. Means they're cooked into the inside. They will continue cooking after you take them off anyway, so we need to get them near enough. Look at that one. There we are. That's cooked. There's our nice plate of Welsh cakes, vegan Welsh cakes. They look like Welsh cakes, they taste like Welsh cakes, and they break like Welsh cakes. I put a bit of sugar on there if you like them a bit sweeter. There's various jams and butters you can put on there, all vegan. These were developed alongside other vegan products we will be developing. All the information is on our website, along with all the information about these types of griddles that we make. They're different types. There's the recipe booklet. The vegan recipes will be in the new booklet. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you next time. There we are. Thank you. Bye.